Welcome to the introduction of the Ohio Department of Taxation's new County Auditor portal. We are excited to provide a brief demonstration of the portal, which is scheduled to be released in December of 2024. As we progress through this brief demo, please keep in mind that some items are not fully developed. We will address each panel and then provide a walkthrough of a county vendor's license registration. Again, please note that all information used in this demonstration is fake and has been made up for testing and training purposes. The Ohio Department of Taxation is adding features to the current homestead exemption portal. This will be the dashboard home you will see upon logging in. Your specific access levels will determine the panels that are visible to you, and you could have any variation of sales tax access, homestead exemption access, or public utility personal property, also known as PUP access. The sales tax access will give you the vendor's license panel, which allows you to register a county vendor's license. It also allows you to update a county vendor's license business location address as long as it is within your county and the same county. The Reports tab will allow you to access the sales tax reports that are currently being emailed to you. You will no longer receive them via email. You will have access to these at your convenience. This would include the fee distribution report, the new and inactive vendor's license report, as well as an active vendor search, which allows you to search for active vendors anywhere in the state of Ohio. Homestead access will give you access to the income verification lookup, and PUP access gives you the panel for public utility personal property. All users will see the view disclosure training, as disclosure is required on an annual basis for access to this portal. We also have a messages panel, which allows you to send and receive messages with the department. A submissions panel, which allows you to view prior submissions, and a self-help panel as well. Now we will proceed to register a county vendor's license. This may look similar for those of you that do register county vendor's license currently. We will be entering the taxpayer information throughout this registration. Start with an EIN. And the business name, and hit next. We'll ask for the day you begin taxable sales, and next. We will select no, we will not operate with a liquor permit, and next. Would you like to add a name to a branch location? We will say yes and add a branch name. This may be beneficial for taxpayers with multiple vendor's licenses. And next, the physical address of the branch locations. This would be the location address where the store is located. Enter the address here. This address will need to be verified. It can be overridden, but we are verifying it here. And hit next. Then for the mailing address, rather than entering it again, we can just hit no. We do not want to add a separate mailing address. And next. Here we are entering the contact information for the taxpayer, phone number and the email. And next. Here we are entering the NAICS code. This is the type of business the taxpayer is starting. You can either search by a word or by the actual code. So keywords are helpful here. And next. Then we will be adding a responsible party, say it's the president. and the ID type for the responsible person. Adding a phone type. Then we'll be adding the phone number for the responsible party and email. And then the address. All right, verify the address and hit next. And then it'll finally take you to the review page. You make sure all the information you entered is correct. And when you hit submit, this takes you to the confirmation page where you're able to print the license to provide to the taxpayer. A sample license may look something like this. And that will conclude our demo. I want to thank you for watching the Ohio Department of Taxation's demo of the new County Auditor portal. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to our continued partnership supporting Ohio citizens. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you.